Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that one pretty much failed. Yeah, this kid's a retard. He doesn't know much better than this.
Yesterday, I fell down a hill. And then I went to the hospital.
Why did you fall down the hill?
You pushed me. And it was cold out.
Come on, retard, get against the door. You don't care.
Right in this one.
Retard, what are you doing? Get over here! Go, hurry up! Go! 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 Go!